Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. So, my children, as you all know, in our previous class, we have discussed about the tenses. So, today we are going to start a new chapter of your literature book. That is chapter number 6, I Love My Baby. That is chapter number 6, I Love My Baby. So, my children, before starting the chapter, let me tell you who loves the babies most. सबसे ज्यादा बेबीज से प्यार कौन करता है? Yes, of course I know you are saying that the parents and especially the mother love their babies a lot. So today in this chapter we will discuss about the bond between the mother and the babies. As my children, human being parents love their babies and love their kids a lot, like your mother and me, my mother loves me a lot and your mother loves you a lot. Same, in the same way, animals, the babies of animals too need their parents to protect them, to care for them, to love for them. And in the same way, the babies of the animals need their parents to protect them. So in this chapter we will not study about the human beings, we will discuss about the animals. And that animals I think you have never seen around you. So this chapter is all about the animals, and we will discuss about the different animals, how they live, what they eat, where they live and how they live. Okay, so let's start it. So today we will discuss about the first animal, that is polar bear. That is polar bear. So my children, have you ever seen the polar bear near around your house? कभी आपने polar bear को अपने घर के पास देखा है? No, you cannot see, and we all cannot see the polar bear near around us or anywhere, because polar bear love to live in a cold area, in a snowy area, in a snowy place, in a cold place. So we cannot see the polar bear around us. So today we will discuss about some facts about polar bear. Polar bear is the largest land carnivorous animal. Means polar bear is a carnivorous. Carnivorous means which the animals who can eat other animal or other dead animals, that are carnivorous. So polar bear is a largest land carnivorous animal. Polar bear fur is transparent. Whenever you will see the polar bear, you will find that polar bear fur is white, but that is not white, my children. That is actually transparent fur, means it is clear and light reflects on it. Suppose they lived in a snowy area and cold area, and जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा snow होती है, and the color of snow is white, so their fur looks like white. But when they sit or when they stand under the sunlight, their fur reflects golden color. So my children, their fur is not white, their fur is transparent and it reflects the light and it changes its color according to the light. Huge bears that love the cold, and this is, you all know that polar bear is a huge bear who love to live in a cold area. And male polar bear weight 1500 pound and female polar bear weight 1000 pound. Means मेल polar bear का weight कितना होता है? 1500 pounds. Pounds is a measuring unit जिससे हम किसी चीज को measure करते हैं. So male polar bear weight is 1500 pounds and female polar bear weight is 1000 pounds. And polar bear can 10 feet tall, and polar bear can 10 feet tall, and it eats fishes and seals, and the baby of the polar bear is called cub. So my children, I am going to discuss about the chapter, the summary of the chapter about the polar bear. So same polar bear, as your mama loves you, same the mama polar bear loves their cubs a lot. And how they love, what they do for their babies, they kept them in a protective place. वो बहुत protective place पे अपने cubs को place करती हैं, where there is वार्मनेस और कॉजीनेस एंड ऑल, वहाँ जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा वार्मनेस एंड कॉजीनेस होती है. एंड इवन ममा पॉलर बियर teach their cubs how to hunt, how to swim, how to catch the fishes, how to take the food, and even teach them how to care themselves. And even mama polar bear, when the spring comes, pleasant weather comes, then mama bear, then you know, all know that throughout the year they live in a snow, live in a icy cave. तो जो उनका केव होता है that is totally covered with the snow. But when the spring come, mama polar bear dig a hole. Dig means keep a hole on the cover of the cave, so that their cubs can come out, and even they can take the sunlight, and feel warm and cozy. So my children, as your mama and your parents protect you, same the mama polar bear take care of their cubs and even teach them how to swim, how to hunt, how to eat, how to catch the fishes, even how to take care of themselves. And the cubs are very smart. They quickly learn whatever their mother teach him. So this is all about the polar bear, my children, and tomorrow we will discuss about the next animal. And today I will send you the worksheet related to this polar bear facts. So everyone will do it very nicely and carefully, and you have to see the worksheet on Microsoft Team app. Thank you and have a nice day.